Oh, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch an Instagram account to professional account, okay? So I'm logged in into my account. You're going to go to more. Then when you click on more, you're going to click on settings. I'm using a computer, so on a phone, it may be a bit different, but you just have to look for your settings on your phone, okay? So when you go to settings, you're going to kind of scroll down. I see something like edit profile. You have to go down. You can see your content. You have to go down. Message and story price, go down. App and media, go down. Supervision. Then there will be a section for professionals. Okay. So you click on account type and tools. When you click on account and tools, you're going to go to this section, account type and tools. So account type, you're going to click on switch to professional. So it means if you don't have a professional account here, you'll be switching to another maybe person. So if you select switch to professional account, it means you're on just a personal Instagram. So I'm going to switch. So I'm going to click here. When I click here, you're going to ask me, are you a creator based for public figures? I'm going to choose a business because my account, I'm taking it as a business. If you are maybe a public figure, maybe you're an artist, an influencer, you can go for this option, but me, I'm kind of a business, so it's going to be for business, okay? Going to click on next. Next. Okay, category, I'm going to look for kind of for the IT. My main work is website designer. Okay, so let me go with that. So I think you can select more than one. You can select more than one. So let me go with that. Then you click on done. Okay, it doesn't take long. So that is how you can convert your personal Instagram to a personal page. Okay, review your contact info. So show contact So I can kind of just say don't use my contact for now. I'll just fill it later. So your Instagram business account is ready. So let me click on done. Okay. So that's how you can switch personal Instagram to kind of a professional account or business account. Okay. So thank you. If you found this video kind of cool, you can leave me a subscription. You can give me a like. In the description, I'm going to leave a link directly for the business. If you kind of like can't find where settings, I'm going to just kind of leave a link in my bio. In my description, you can just click on it, then you start the process, okay? Thank you and have a nice time.